Welcome to my YouTube channel Mathsaholic. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get further notification. Learn maths rigorously. Thank you.
Hey guys, welcome to my video. Today we'll be discussing about arithmetic progression. Okay, firstly we should know what is an arithmetic progression. As I have mentioned here, it is a series in which difference of two consecutive numbers is same. You can say consecutive numbers or elements because it can be anything. Okay, but it is most profoundly numbers. So let's take an example here. Example, just a second. Example 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on. Right? So here it is the difference between two consecutive numbers is 2. Here also 2. Here also 2. Similarly, we can continue it like that, right? Okay, that is a very good example. As you know, this is a set of all even numbers, positive even numbers, right? Now, nextly, we can talk about the general formula for finding the element. Let us consider arithmetic progression like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is a set of the natural numbers, right? And so it will continue till last. But if I tell you to find the 200 number of term, you can just say it is 200 because it is a set of natural numbers. But in case of larger numbers, just take an example. Let's just wait a second. For in the case of like 5, 11, 17, 23, and so on, can you find the 200 term? Just saying this progression, no, you can't. So for the thing, you can use a formula. This is a general formula. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, where a is the first term. Here is the first term is the 5, and d is a common difference. What is the common difference here? It is 6, right? Here it is 6. Here it is also 6. So on it will continue. The common difference, d is the common difference, and a is the first term, right? Just this. Now let's take an example and solve a question. It is given that a is 99, d is 2, so we need to find the 100 term, right? Question. The examiner is asking about the 100. Okay, let's solve it. So we know that an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So what is an? Here a 100 is equal to, what is a 99 plus 100 minus 1 into d. What is d? 2. 99 plus 99 into 2. So it would be 99 plus 198, which will be equal to 297, right? So here with the help of the formula, we can easily find out this the 100 term. But if you just think of orally, you can't do that. Okay, so this is the question, we got the answer, right? Okay, that was a pretty easy question. It is a pretty basic thing. Then next we will learn about the sum of an arithmetic progression, right? How will we find out the sum of an arithmetic progression? So the formula is given here. As the formula suggests, Sn denotes the sum of n terms of an AP. Here I have given only one formula. What is what? In the formula, Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l, where a is the first term, as I have mentioned earlier, and l is the last term. Okay, here what is l? Now we can change this formula we can derive another formula from this particular formula. What is L? L is the last term. So what is L? N minus 1 into D. Since N is the last term, so here N minus 1 into D. So substituting that thing in the formula, what we will get? N by 2 E plus N minus 1 into D, right? What will be that? N by 2 A plus, sorry, twice A plus N minus 1 into D. This is a general formula for the summation of n terms in an arithmetic progression, or simply we can say n by 2 into A plus L, right? Okay, this is A. Now, as we have seen this formula, now we can solve certain problems using this formula. Let me take an example. Now, okay, let me see. E is given 5, D is given 3, so we need to find S. Let's take an easy S20. N by 2 A is what? 5 plus, what is, sorry, what, 2A into N, just a second, 2 into 5 plus, what is N? N is 20, so 20 minus 1 into D. D is what? 3. Just keep the formula here. 10 into 10 plus 19 into 3 is 57. Okay, 67 into 10. What will be the final answer? 670. So now we can easily get the sum of n terms of an arithmetic progression in this process. And if we'll continue on, we can get this process. Okay, let me erase this, start a new thing.